All right, in this lesson we're going to move on. We're still in the U.S. system, but we're going to talk about units of weight. And in our system, the units of weight are ounces. Although it's spelled O-U-N-C-E-S, it is abbreviated with an O-Z. And a pound, which is abbreviated LB. I know that's a little unusual. The abbreviations come from their Latin words as opposed to their English words. We also have that 2,000 pounds is equal to 1 ton. So we're going to use our unit cancellation where we turn these facts into fractions equal to 1. All right, the first one, 6 pounds to ounces. All right, fact that we have 16 ounces equals 1 pound. So I like to use abbreviations. So I have 6 pounds is what we start with. Put it over 1. Multiplied by this fraction, by this fact, turn it into a fraction. I need pounds to go away, so 1 pound is on bottom. That means that 16 ounces has to go on top. Cancel. Pounds are gone. I have 6 times 16, which is 96, and the only unit left is ounces. 96 ounces. The next one, I have 7 tons to pounds. All right. Fact that there are 2,000 pounds in 1 ton. All right. We start with the given, which is 7 tons. Put it over 1. Multiply it by this fact turned into a fraction. I want tons to go away, so I need 1 ton down here. That means that 2,000 pounds has to go on top. The tons are gone. I end up with 7 times 2,000, which is 14,000, and the only unit left is pounds. All right, next one is also tons and pounds. So my fact is the same, that there are 2,000 pounds in 1 ton. This time I'm starting with 6,000 pounds. Put it over 1. All right, using the same fact I did last time, but using it differently because I want pounds to cancel out. So the 2,000 pounds has to go on bottom, and the 1 ton will have to go on top. I know that I've made the right choice because the pounds are gone. This time I can divide numbers. 2,000 goes into itself once. It goes into 6,000 3 times. I'm left with 3 times 1, which is 3 tons. The next one, pounds and tons. I don't have a lot of choices here. All right, fact, 2,000 pounds equals 1 ton. I'm starting with 5,500 pounds. I'm going to put it over 1, and I'm going to multiply that by the fact. I want pounds to go away, so the 2,000 pounds has to go on bottom, and the 1 ton is on top. I know I'm doing it right because the units tell me I am. The pounds are gone. Now, this is 2,000. 100 goes in here, knocking out those 2 zeros. 100 goes in there. I could do more. I think 5 will go in there. 5 will go in there 4 times. 5 will go in there 11 times. Now let's see what I've got. On the top, I've got 11. On the bottom, I've got 4. This is tons. Now, I don't have the instructions that my math lab might have. If it wants an improper fraction, that would be fine. If it wants a decimal, then it would be 2.75 tons. So you're going to need to look at Math Lab and see how it wants this. Okay, last one. I have 14.25 pounds over 1, and I guess it would be nice if I wrote down the fact. The fact is that there are 16 ounces in 1 pound. So I want pounds to go away. I'll put my 1 pound down here, put my 16 ounces up top. I must be doing it right because the pounds are canceling. So I need to now multiply 14.25 times 16, and that gives me 228. The only unit left is ounces. So it is, whoops, make sure you can see that, 228 ounces. All right, so the unit cancellation works very, very nicely no matter what you're measuring in the US system.